this is C Vibes Tech. Today I'm just gonna answer a question which one of our subscribers asked. I personally have experienced and I have seen that it works, because most of the comments that I saw, people were saying that it's not possible. Okay, let's check out the power supply unit on my machine. It's a Dell PowerEdge T20. This is a 290 watts power supply maximum output, and in this case my graphics card here, it's an Nvidia GT710, and on the specifications and requirements you need a system that is at least 300 watts. But I went on to run an experiment on this to see if it was gonna work. I managed to install this graphic card and it's working properly. Okay, I'll take you to the screen right now for you to see that it's successfully installed on this machine.
DJ Chamix on the mix.